For years, I've had a dream of going on a backcountry ski trip based out of a mountain lodge. I've tried to make this dream a reality multiple times, but unfortunately, things haven't worked out. This year, 2023, I was finally going to make it happen. My first attempt was in 2018. I booked a trip to Alaska with the goal of spending a week in the Chugach Mountains, sleeping in tents and earning our turns every day. Unfortunately, a few days before our arrival, hurricane-force winds destroyed our base camp, and with it, our hopes of sleeping in the Chugach. My second attempt was a similar trip in the backcountry near Revelstoke, British Columbia, in the spring of 2020. Just as we were about to leave, the country shut down due to the pandemic. The third time's a charm. Last year I met Kim, and we spent a day in Yellowstone National Park ski touring. Kim invited me back to Montana this year to spend a week with him and his friends, staying at Downing Mountain Lodge and using it as our base. I was finally going to have the chance to wake up to the sound of a crackling fire while surrounded by the silence and beauty of the mountains that I would be privileged to climb and ski every day.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Welcome to the Bitterroot Mountains in Montana. There is something very special about this place. It's like stepping into another world. And it's no wonder why this rugged and wild landscape was chosen as location for Paramount's hit TV show, Yellowstone. Many of the show's scenes were filmed here in the Bitterroot Mountains, capturing their raw beauty and unspoiled wilderness. Downing Mountain Lodge is located just one valley over from the famous Yellowstone Dutton Ranch, which is actually the Chief Joseph Ranch near Darby, Montana. Many Yellowstone fans will remember the scene when Beth and Rip find a moment of solitude in the valley overlooking the Bitterroot Mountains. Beth famously says, "I don't need anything else. Cigarettes, whiskey, a meadow, and you." This quote captures the essence of what the Bitterroot Mountains offer. It's a place to get away from it all, to find a peace and solitude, and to connect with the natural world that is truly unforgettable. Downing Mountain Lodge gives visitors the opportunity to explore this beautiful landscape on their skis and not only connect with nature, but to connect with old friends and meet new ones who share the same passion for this wilderness landscape. Backcountry skiing is just the excuse to get out there and explore it all.
When you believe in things that you don't understand, then you'll suffer. Superstition ain't the way. Woo! Good, huh? There is superstition, nothing more to say. There is superstition. Woo! The devil's on his way. Woo! Keep me in a daydream. Keep me going strong. You know what I say? Sad is my song. When you believe in things that you don't understand, then you'll suffer. Superstition ain't the way.
As the sun sets on another beautiful day, the stars come out to shine over the majestic Beartooth Mountains. Ending our day with great food, music, and drinks, we enjoy our time in this cozy lodge as the shining stars provide a reminder of the beauty and wonder of nature. As this journey comes to an end, I want to take a moment to thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Until then, may the wind be at your back and the sun upon your face.